This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have the essentials: acetone-based remover, cotton, a plastic scraper, and oil. First, place a towel under your hand and ventilate the area. Soak a cotton pad with acetone and press firmly to the stained palm for 20-30 seconds so the solvent breaks the polish film. Then, use the scraper at a low angle to lift softened polish. Do not dig. Once you've lifted flakes, blot with a fresh cotton pad. This begins the visible removal while minimizing skin abrasion. You continue by targeting remaining spots. Soak new cotton and press 15-30 seconds, then wipe in one direction to pull polish away. If pigment clings, apply a drop of oil to the area. Oil dissolves dyes and cushions your skin during gentle scraping. Use the plastic scraper or an orange wood stick wrapped in cotton for stubborn bits. Once most polish is gone, switch to rubbing with oil in small, circular motions to lift thin stains. This protects the skin and prevents. You finish by washing the palm with warm water and mild soap to remove solvent traces. Pat dry rather than rubbing. Immediately apply a rich moisturizer or hand cream to replenish natural oils and soothe any irritation. Inspect under good light. If faint pigment remains, dab 70% isopropyl alcohol or repeat the oil massage overnight. Choose the gentler option first. If skin becomes red or sore, stop and let the area recover. Seek advice if irritation persists beyond.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.